Hello, boys and girls. Vincent Van Gogh is one of my favorite artists. He is an impressionist from the 1800s, and he was so good at art, but nobody bought his paintings when he was alive. So that's why he's one of my favorite artists, because he wasn't very recognized when he was alive, but he was so talented and he had so many good ideas. And today, we're going to make a similar picture. We're going to make a collage with colored paper. Now, if you don't have colored paper, you can certainly make this picture by coloring it with crayons or markers or even pencils, but I'm going to show you how to do it today with colored paper. So for this project, you will need some different colors of paper. I have blue and pink and orange and some green for the stems. And then I also have a glue stick and a scissors. Now I'm going to start with blue paper for my background, but you could certainly use white. You can use any color that you have at home. I decided that I wanted to use blue because it's the color of the sky, and also because Van Gogh used it in his background. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pick a color for your table. I decided that mine is going to be a yellow table this time. So all you have to do is cut your paper in half. It doesn't even have to be in half, really. You can just go right across your paper anywhere you want. Then you're going to put some glue on it. And when you glue one object to another object, you want to make sure that you put the glue all the way around the edges of your paper. You don't really even need any in the middle. You can put a little in the middle, but mostly you want it around the edges so they don't peel up on you. And you're going to want to put your table on the bottom edge of your paper. The next step is to make your vase. So to do that, you're going to fold a piece of paper in half. Make sure you make a nice crease on one side. Put your fold on the left-hand side. Put the opening on the right-hand side, okay? Then you can draw a little line starting on the folded side and coming across as far as you want. Then just draw any kind of line. I'm going to draw kind of a little wavy line like that across the other side. Now you just go ahead and cut it out on the line. So you're going to cut right on that line. I'm holding the folded side. If you do it the wrong way, you're going to have two half vases. So you'll know right away if you did it the wrong direction. Then you're going to have to start over, do it on another piece of paper. But, at first you don't succeed. Try again, right? Okay, let's see what it looks like when I open it up. Look at that. There it is. It's symmetrical. Try saying it. It's kind of a fun word to say. Symmetrical. Right now I'm going to put some more glue on the outside of the vase. Remember, I don't need a lot of glue in the middle. I could put that little glob in the middle there if I wanted. Now, you don't want to put it right on top of the table, because actually, when you look at a table, that's not how things are. If they were on the very edge of the table, they would fall off. So you're going to put it down in the middle of the table, and you're going to overlap. That's another really important art word. Overlapping. All right, so now my vase is overlapping my table, and it looks more three-dimensional, doesn't it? Okay, now I'm going to start adding some flowers. Now, with my example, all of those flowers are torn out of pieces of paper. Now, you don't have to tear them out. It adds a little texture, which is kind of fun. So you can tear them out. Take a piece of paper and just kind of tear it into an interesting shape. There I go. Then again, I'm going to put some glue on there, and I'm going to put my first flower in there. All right, I am going to speed this up, and I'm going to show you how to add more flowers. Vase.